You ever feel like your Facebook ads are gaslighting you? One day they work, the next your ads manager is looking like a total ghost town. Here's the scary truth. Most Facebook ad failures don't look broken until it's too late. You hit publish, you spend $50, you wait, nothing. No traction, no conversions, just silence. But the reality is Facebook ads can work really well for small businesses in particular, just not the way most people use it. And if you don't figure this out soon, you'll keep feeding an algorithm that punishes you every time you click boost. So today I'll show you exactly why your ads are not converting and how to fix them before your next dollar is wasted. There's a hidden trap 90% of Facebook advertisers fall into. It's not the algorithm, it's not the budget, it's not even the ad copy. It's the false sense of progress. See, Facebook makes it easy to feel like you're doing it right. You select your audience, upload a clean visual, write a few benefits, press launch, but guess what? You've just built an ad-shaped coffin, because none of that matters if your core offer and funnel structure are off. And here's where it gets worse. The more money you spend, the deeper the hole gets. But today we're gonna fix that in 3 steps. And in case you don't know, I'm Brandy with Life Marketing. We're a growth-focused digital marketing agency helping small businesses turn ad spend into ROI and not regret. So today we're showing you how to rebuild your Facebook ads to actually convert without spending an arm and a leg or 1,000 hours becoming a marketing genius. So starting with mistake number 1, your offer isn't a magnet, it's a mute button. This might sting a little, but some of you need to hear it. If your ad gets impressions but no clicks, or clicks but no conversions, your offer is the problem. Not the product and not your business, the offer. Let me explain. Your offer is not just the price, it's the promise. And if your promise doesn't jolt your dream customer in the chest, you've already lost them. Most ads say things like this: we help so-and-so do this, or top-rated local service. But the problem is nobody cares. You need a specific, visceral, emotionally sharp hook. For example, let's say you're a health coach. You could say, we make total out-of-shape beginners fitness competition ready in 30 days, or we work for free. See the difference there? It's bold, it's measurable, it's emotionally loaded. So fix your offer first or nothing else matters. But hang on, because once you've clarified your offer, there's something else you need to fix. Which brings us to mistake number 2, your funnel is friction-filled. The moment someone clicks, you're on a timer. And most landing pages, they're clunky, confusing, covered in corporate fluff. You've got 8 seconds max to prove 3 things: that they're in the right place, that you understand their problem, and that you can solve it fast. Your landing page must do this before someone even scrolls. That's why we use what we call zero guess pages. So what is that? It's a page where the headline mirrors their internal thought. The CTA feels like a win, and the content guides instead of sells. So running with our health coach example, you could say, tired of fitness plans that never work? Download our guide that takes you from couch to dream body in 30 days. So did you catch that? You're not convincing, you're confirming. And I can tell you from experience, it makes all the difference. But none of this will work without fixing this final missing ingredient, and most advertisers skip it. Mistake number 3 is you're targeting demographics, not desires. Here's the most common rookie move. You target based on job titles, age, gender, interests. It makes sense, right? Well, not necessarily. You're describing people, not problems. Instead, you want to try to target intent clusters, which are people grouped by shared pain, not shared data points. For example, instead of targeting homeowners 30 to 45 interested in Zillow, target people engaging with mortgage breakdown content, or home listing mistakes, or buy-sell decision ads. You want to target problem-aware behavior, not broad categories, and pair that with ads that speak to those problems, not their demographic. So, for example, instead of, hey homeowners looking to sell, you could try, still losing time and money because your house won't sell? We'll get movement in 30 days with complimentary staging and a targeted open house. Your audience needs to feel like you overheard their complaints, not profiled them with data. Now, let's kill 3 myths right now. Myth number 1, Facebook is pay to win. Facebook is not pay to win, it's pay to prove. You don't win on Facebook just because you spend money. You win because your funnel, offer, and messaging prove they work under pressure with real spend, real real data and real buyer behavior. Myth number 2, you should test 50 audiences and see what sticks. Wrong. Test messaging, not random demos. You'll waste a lot more money testing 50 overlapping audiences than you will converting the right 2 or 3 at a higher rate. You don't need more dials, you need the right lever. And myth number 3, any lead is a good lead. False. Bad leads cost more than no leads. They waste your time, kill morale, and poison your follow-up. This is why most Facebook strategies feel draining. They're built for clicks, not conversions. But imagine this. You open your ads manager tomorrow. Your CTR is at 2.6%. Your cost per lead's at $4.81. And the leads, they're replying, booking, buying. You're not chasing anymore. You're attracting. You're scaling. You're spending $50 and getting back $500 because your system is finally working. And the best part is you're in control of it. You might be thinking, but I've tried Facebook ads before and they've never worked. Yeah, because you were following surface level advice like just duplicate your ad set, put some emojis in your copy, use a brighter image. But that's not strategy. And the truth is changing those things won't help anyway if everything we talked about today is not dialed in. Ads don't convert better because you've stuck an emoji in there. They convert better because your message cuts deep, your funnel pulls hard, and your offer is impossible to ignore. You don't need to be a marketing genius, you just need a better map. And now you've got one. So fix your offer first, cut friction second, and target problems, not people third.